Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff, where curiosity leads the way and wonder never gets old. Today, we're re-heading into the highlands and rainforests of South America to meet one of the most expressive, woolly, and wonderfully quirky animals around. It hums, spits sometimes, and wears a permanent look of curiosity. Let's explore llamas. Llamas are domesticated mammals native to the Andes Mountains, especially Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, and Chile. They're part of the camelid family, which includes alpacas, vicuñas, guanacos, and camelids. Unlike their desert cousins, llamas are built for cool mountain climates and steep terrain. They've been helping humans for thousands of years as pack animals, wool producers, and even companions. Llamas can carry loads of up to 75 pounds and walk for miles without tiring. Their padded feet and calm temperament make them ideal for navigating rocky trails and high altitudes. Llamas are known for their expressive faces and social behavior. They live in herds and communicate through body language, ear position, and a range of sounds, summing, grunting, and even a high-pitched alarm call when danger is near. And yes, they sometimes spit, but usually only at each other to settle arguments or establish dominance. It's llama language, not llama rudeness. Their wool is soft, warm, and lanolin-free, making it It comes in a variety of natural colors: white, brown, black, gray, and spotted, and is used to make blankets, clothing, and rope. Llama wool is coarser than alpaca wool, but still prized for its durability and warmth. Baby llamas are called crias. They're born standing and walking within an hour, and they quickly become part of the herd. Mothers are attentive, and crias often form playful bonds with other young llamas, bouncing and chasing through the fields. Llamas are also used in animal-assisted therapy. Their gentle nature and curious personalities make them great companions for children, seniors, and people with disabilities. They're known to approach calmly, observe quietly, and offer a kind of fuzzy comfort that's hard to resist. In Andean culture, llamas are symbols of endurance, community, and connection to the land. They appear in ancient art, modern festivals, and even spiritual ceremonies. Today, they've become pop culture icons, featured in cartoons, memes, and llama-themed everything from socks to school supplies. Llamas remind us that strength doesn't have to be loud. They carry burdens with grace, navigate mountains with ease, and bring warmth to the world in more ways than one. Thanks for exploring with me on Amara's Good Stuff, where the world, the ocean, and the stars are always waiting for you. Until next time, keep wondering.